Basic installation of ply gem trim. Ply gem trim and moldings are easy to install and look great with just about any siding material. This installation video will cover the basics of installation. Refer to the installation guide for detailed instructions. Safety. Always wear eye protection and cut cellular PVC trim in an open, well-ventilated area. If cutting with a power saw, consider wearing a dust mask. Please refer to the safety data sheet for environmental, health, and safety information. Considerations before installation, storage, and handling. Cellular PVC is more flexible than wood and should be stored on a flat level surface away from excessive heat. Trim should be at the ambient temperature before installation. Please refer to the Ply Gem Trim Installation Guide for additional storage and handling guidelines. Cutting. Ply gem trim and molding can be cut with standard carpenter's tools. Use a carbide-tipped blade, 32 tooth or higher. Remember to avoid blades designed for plywood or metal. The product is easier to cut than wood, with no knots or splitting. Drilling. When drilling trim, use a standard woodworking paddle drill bit. Remove excess shavings to prevent heat buildup. Routing. For routing, a carbide-tipped bit is recommended. A slower or second router pass or 320 grit sandpaper work well to smooth the surface. Fastening. Nails or screws are required to fasten the product. Do not use adhesive for attachment. When nails are used, they must penetrate 1.5 inches into solid framing, or 1 inch through OSB. Stainless steel or galvanized nails are required. For filling nail holes, use approved sealants. Avoid the use of wax pencils. If using screws, select a corrosion-resistant screw such as Ply Gem co-branded Cortex screws. Follow the screw manufacturer's direction for penetration. Additional important fastening guidelines can be found in the product installation manual. Water management. Fundamental water management techniques adhering to local building code must be followed. Reference the installation guide for additional information. Expansion and contraction. Due to the normal expansion and contraction of PVC trim, planning should include considerations for concealment of expansion joints. As a rule of thumb, an expansion joint should be included every 36 feet of run. Except where an expansion joint is planned, 2 pieces of cellular PVC should always be joined using 1 or 2 component adhesive. 2-component adhesive is recommended as the strongest option. A flexible adhesive is available for expansion joints. Do not substitute silicone or other types of caulk for adhesive sealant designed for use with cellular PVC. When joining 2 boards, do not butt the joints. Instead, use either a shiplap or mitered scarf joint with adhesive and multiple fasteners at the ends. Reference the installation guide and the website for more information about expansion, contraction, and recommended use of adhesives. Ply Gem Trim and Molding is backed by Ply Gem, a leader in pioneering performance home exteriors for more than 70 years, with a superior warranty for exactly the home you want for decades to come. For more information, call 855-858-7238 or visit plygemtrim.com.